To start with my makeup, I am going to apply primer. I am going to focus the primer in the T-zone. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel. To color correct, I am using this palette by MAC. I am using a concealer that is darker than my actual shade. You don't have to own the same product. Still, as a guideline, I am going to give product details in the description box below. I am color correcting wherever I have pigmentation on my face. Next, I am applying some loose powder over the corrector that I used. It will dry the corrector and the corrector won't mix with my foundation. I am applying the foundation with the help of my fingers. When you want more coverage, you can use this technique. Next, I am blending the foundation with a wet beauty blender. It will take off the excess foundation. To highlight my face, I am going to use a light concealer. Again, I am blending the concealer with a wet beauty blender. For my blush, I am using a cream blush. To blend it, you can use a wet or dry beauty blender. Don't be scared if it looks too much now. It fades afterwards. I like to apply the blush on my nose and chin also. You can skip it if you want to. Next, I am setting the makeup with some loose powder. Next, I am contouring my face. Take the contour behind your ears for a sharp jawline. Contour into your hairline for a natural look. To contour my nose, I am using a small brush. Next, I am highlighting my face. For eyebrows, I am using this brow pomade by PAC. I am using a small angular brush to fill in my eyebrows. For natural looking eyebrows, don't use black color on your brows. Use either ash grey or dark brown color. You can even use a dark eyeshadow for this. You don't have to own the special brow products. For today's makeup, I am using this minimalist palette. I am using this eyeshadow first. I'll use this as a transition color. I am using a fluffy brush to blend it. Next, I am going to use this dark brown eyeshadow. I am going to focus this eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eye. Next, I am using this golden eyeshadow. I am using a flat brush to apply it. For my eyeliner, I am using a gel eyeliner. I wanted a matte finish, so I am using a gel eyeliner. I am using a 0 number brush which you use for drawing. I am going to smudge the eyeliner a little bit with a Q-tip, not much. Next, I am tightening my eyes. I am also going to smudge the kohl on my waterline. For my lipstick, I am using a lip liner first. I am using a brown lip liner. I am using this orangish liquid lipstick. And this is the final look. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.